In brazing, only the filler material is melted. The brazing temperatures used are high enough to melt the braze filler material, but not enough to melt the metal being brazed. A common form of brazing is torch brazing, where the parts to be joined are locally heated using a gas fuel. This process is normally used to join relatively thin sections and for low production volume. Furnace brazing involves placing the braze material around all joints to be made. The entire part is then heated in a furnace. The temperature is raised to a point where the braze material will melt and allow it to flow through the entire joint area. Here, the part has been removed from the furnace, resulting in a complete component with the required braze integrity. Soldering is similar to brazing in that only the solder is melted, but it is performed at a lower temperature. The most common aims of using soldering are fluid tightness or good contact for electrical connections. Strength is not generally the major consideration.